You ever get to a place where everything you believe started to feel shaky, like the foundation you've built your entire life on just started cracking beneath you? That was me, not years ago, not when I was a teenager, but recently I found myself sitting in silence asking God questions I never thought I'd ask. And instead of getting answers right away, I got something deeper. I got met. So if you've ever gone through a season where your faith didn't make sense, where your prayers felt like echoes in an empty room, or where church hurt left you confused, this one's for you. I'm not here to preach at you. I just want to share something real, because this journey I've been on has shifted everything. Not away from God, but into a version of faith that's actually alive. I grew up holding tight to certain beliefs, not because I really understood them, but because that's just what I was taught. You don't question what's holy, right? You just believe, obey, repeat. But eventually, life throws enough weight on you that the surface level stuff starts to crack. And that's where I found myself questioning things I never imagined I'd touch. Not because I wanted to walk away from God, but because I needed to find Him for real. Not the version wrapped up in performance, not the one shaped by tradition, the real Jesus. There was this one night, it wasn't anything dramatic, but I remember just sitting there broken, exhausted from pretending. I said out loud, God, I don't know what I believe anymore, and I expected silence, but instead, I felt this peace, not the kind that fixes things, but the kind that says, even here, I'm with you. That moment didn't erase the questions, but it reminded me that God's not scared of them. That blew my mind because for so long I thought doubt was the opposite of faith. But I'm learning now, doubt is often the door to deeper faith. It's not rebellion, it's relationship. It's wrestling with God, not running from Him. And you know what? That wrestling, those questions, that deconstruction wasn't about destroying my faith. It was about tearing down the parts that were never solid to begin with. The expectations, the shame, the rules, without relationship. And slowly, what's been rebuilt is something honest, something rooted, a faith that breathes, not because I've got it all figured out, but because I know who holds me even when I don't. So if you're in that place right now, questioning, doubting, wondering if God's disappointed in you, He's not. In fact, that could be the moment He's drawing you in closer than ever before. Sometimes the breaking is what makes room for rebuilding. And trust me, what He builds in you when it's just you and Him, no audience, no filters, is stronger than anything you've ever known. I don't have all the answers, but I'm learning that God isn't asking me to. He's just asking me to keep walking, even with questions, even with tears, even with uncertainty. That's where real faith lives. Here's the thing, your questions aren't too big for God, and your pain doesn't disqualify you from His presence. You're not alone in this, I promise. And if you keep showing up, keep seeking, keep being honest, God will meet you just like He met me. So if this hit home, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This space is here to help you grow, not perform. And if you know someone who's been silently struggling in their faith, go ahead and share this with them. You never know what one video could do for someone's heart. And while you're here, check out more of the content on this channel. There's a whole journey waiting for you. Stories, reflections, truths that can light your path when things feel dark. Share it with someone who needs it, because we weren't meant to walk this road alone. Here, your growth matters. I'll see you on the next video.